When is the last time you've seen a 4-room flat with a really big living and dining area? Today we're here at Telok Blangah Ridgeview, which is a newly MOP flat right beside Telok Blangah Hill. Located on the mid-floor, it occupies 93 square meters and is just within 10 minutes walk to Telok Blangah MRT station. Let's check it out. Welcome to your future home. As you step through the front door, you will immediately feel the luxury of space and openness. This living room is south-facing, so you get no west sun. So why does it feel so bright and airy? That's because one of the bedrooms has been converted into the dining area, and the best part is, you can watch your favorite Netflix program from here, or from here. This kitchen is generous and perfect for you if you're a cooking enthusiast. The island not only has an expansive countertop space, it comes with a tap and sink for you to wash and rinse without much footwork. There are ample cabinets and a nice little pocket that fits your oven perfectly. And hey, this good quality carpentry would not be complete without hinges from Bloom. Shall we check out the master bedroom? Don't you feel this space is huge? That's because you don't have a wardrobe taking up precious floor space here. Instead, you have every girl's dream, a walk-in wardrobe. Try your clothes, put your makeup on. Do this all comfortably right here in your little corner. When you're done, make a final stop in this calming rustic bathroom, and you're good to go. You may have noticed that this unit comes with only one proper bedroom. What if you need more rooms? Don't worry, I've worked out the sums for you. To reinstate this unit into 3 proper bedrooms, all you need is about $10,000. Now think about it. You don't really need to renovate any other parts of this house, so you can keep your reno budget to only 10 grand. Now, isn't that a steal? With an absolutely move-in condition, this house could be yours in 3 months' time without any extension. My name is William, thanks for watching.